sharing my background and my stories with you as we go. So this is Lavlina, my wife. She's a gynecologist. I'm an orthopedic surgeon. We have been in practice for over 35 years now. We have been in Herbalife for over 21 years now, 22nd in January coming. And this is our sponsor, Mary Holloway, who has been in Herbalife for 39 and a half years. And she's a chairman club. So all stories should begin with a sponsor, because but for the sponsor, we would not have been in this opportunity of changing people's lives, improving people, improve their health, and becoming more happy because we offer happiness to others. This is me at 30 kgs before, and I didn't think I was overweight. Many people thought I was successful and prosperous, so it had to show in the abdomen, and it was duly showing. So I started as a customer. My only interest in Herbalife Nutrition in 2014 January was to lose fat. I was not interested in the extra income, because before Herbalife also, we were making a substantial income of over 2 lakh rupees per month per person. And so we were busy, we were working round the clock. I used to go to 11 clinics in 2 days. And you can imagine, in Delhi, traveling is tiring, seeing people is tiring. So by the end of the day, I was irritable, tired, unhappy, because I had spent a lot of time on Delhi roads. Today, 21 years down the line, I thank God every single day that my sponsor had the courage to tell me, my original sponsor, to tell me I could improve my health. And I had Lavlina who said, no, you try this, you are overweight, you should lose weight, you will become dada, diabetic, hypertension, heart disease, you will die early, all that stuff. So I started. Today I feel much younger, but what I am going to share with you is not a reflection of my skills and knowledge. It comes from attending many hundred now trainings, many times as student, many times as trainer, many times as co-trainer, and I have had the opportunity to interact with such wonderful people in Herbalife that it is simply unbelievable. And when I first met George Inobi, he had just joined Herbalife. Today he is the CEO of Herbalife, but then he wasn't. And in the center, you see Raju ji and Cynthia ji smiling at the photograph, because we are in Maldives about 2 months back. Of course, they have had one more trip since then, and they didn't take us that time. So next time, hopefully, they will take us along. So you have people that are of different backgrounds. You have a lawyer on the screen, you have a general manager, you have a 17-year-old Israeli who had no background, you have a government officer like Raju ji, you have people who failed in their 10th exam, you have housewives. Every single one of them has a background like yours. Don't think these people or any one of us is exceptional. The opportunity is exceptional, and the opportunity is exceptional because the products are exceptional, and that is what we will talk about today. First 3 months with Herbalife are amazing. We made over 6 lakh rupees part-time extra without understanding too much of what I am going to tell you in the first 3 months. And every one of you on the call, whether you are a consumer of the product, whether you are a person who has just joined to make 5,000 rupees extra, 10,000 rupees extra, 20,000 rupees extra, just imagine what an extra 6 lakh rupees will do to you if you make that in over the next 3 or 6 months. So focus on what is possible, not the difficulties. Today, we were lucky to, I come from a background where I didn't even have a cycle. Okay, so no telephones, no fans. In Kashmir, you don't need them mostly. I belong to Kashmir. I had my schooling in Kashmir. Whatever my parents could do for me, they did their best, I am sure. But we came from a background which wasn't so successful. Today, by God's grace, we drive a very fancy car. We have a range of cars from Tata Nano to Mercedes E-Class. But the important thing is the last two vehicles I bought was cash down on payment. When I paid for my 17 lakh SUV by credit card, the company couldn't believe that there is somebody who can actually swipe a card for 70 lakhs. There was a guy who said, before this, I used to work in Mercedes. I have never seen anybody buy a car with credit card. Thanks to Herbalife, we managed to buy expensive cars, and today we live a life that most people dream of. This is our nutrition club, empty, for you to see how good it looking it is. The people make it even better, because we have wonderful people in our club. And like I told you many times, the first training in this club was done by Raju ji and Cynthia ji when we started maybe 10 years back. So we have been very fortunate to have them as our mentors, as our guides, as our trainers. And so you will have a great opportunity to become successful thanks to working with Cynthia ji and Raju ji. This is our club. When you enter, the first thing you see is this almirah full of autograph stuff from Virat Kohli, Sania Nehwal, MC Mary Kom, Michael O. Johnson, John Ignovi. And so everybody who comes to our office, whether as a patient, whether as a consumer for wellness, whether looking for an extra income, gets exposed to an opportunity which is infinite. We have traveled so many times abroad that we don't count it any longer. I just wanted to tell you that on the first day, if my original sponsor had told us that 20 years down the line we would be talking about Hawaii, Greece, Mexico, and these places, we wouldn't have believed him. So what I am telling you today, in Jim Rohn's words, borrow my eyes. See your future through my eyes, through Rajuji's, through Cynthia ji's eyes, because it is going to be unbelievable. And one fine day, many of you are going to get on a stage and say, in the last 20 years, we have traveled close to 100 times internationally on holidays, on vacations, on trainings, some free, some financed, but we have had a fun life so far. This is the first Herbalife office. We went to USA within 6 months of joining Herbalife, free of charge, paid for by the company after we qualified by doing whatever the target was. And it was 45,000 volume points in 3 months. And this is Lavina sitting in Mark Hughes' chair. By the time we reached USA, Mark Hughes had passed away. He died on 21st May. We were there on 6th August. But the corporate was so gracious. They opened up his office. They opened up his home. So this is the chair in one Mark Hughes used to sit, and Lavina is sitting there. We have been to so many international trainings. On the left side, you see the Buddhist stupa in Kathmandu. In the center, you see us having a massage by the beachside in Phuket, JW Marriott. Right side, you see Rome, the Colosseum. Herbalife hired a plane to take us around Mount Everest. And I wanted to tell you today, many times when you start business, it seems tough because it is tough. It is not easy. And so when you look at Mount Everest, you think, oh, it's impossible for to climb. But one fine day, when you are in the plane of Herbalife success, you'll be so close to Mount Everest, you can reach out and touch. And that is the beauty of this opportunity. What you don't anticipate today will happen to you tomorrow. Don't you worry and relax. So this is Singapore. This is CNN in Atlanta. CNN, when Ted Turner started this network, they told him, who will buy a cable network television? So they used to jokingly call it Chicken Noodle Network. And can you believe today the world's largest television network is CNN? So if Ted Turner had listened to people around him who were saying, don't, he would have not been successful. When you get off this call, you will be excited, you will be happy, you will be knowledgeable, you will have developed some skill. But when you talk to people who want to pull you down, they will say, oh, this is possible for Anil Nadir because he was a very successful person before. This is possible for Cynthia ji because she's extremely intelligent. This is possible for Raju ji because he was a highly placed government officer. You are a housewife, you are a shopkeeper, you are driver auto, whatever you do. Don't listen to them. Listen to people like me who say all of you can become successful, healthier, happier, wiser, well. And otherwise, a lot of people around you will say, don't. Nutrition Club, which we are a part of now, was started by this couple, Varela's, in Mexico. And Lovelina went to Mexico to learn how nutrition clubs work. So this is the cactus from which aloe comes out. This is with Mrs. Varela at her home, eating corn on the cob, which is the Mexican favorite. And this is Professor Varela himself. So this is in their home in Zacatecas, where they opened up their home to about 15, 16 Indian distributors who spent 3 weeks traveling around Mexico, seeing how nutrition clubs work. And then when you work hard, you get rewarded. So this is Lavlina doing skiing in the Switzerland mountains. This is in Santorini, Greece, which is the world's only inhabited caldera. And it is extremely beautiful. All the houses are either white or blue dome. This is Paris with Eiffel Tower, and Lavlina and I are standing on Champs-Élysées, which is supposed to be among the most expensive shopping areas in the world. And Herbalife gives you vacations. The first was in Trivandrum backwaters, where Lavlina and I are on a ship. Second was in Jaisalmer, where they gave us the clothes to wear. Then they put us on a cruise in Singapore, Malaysia on Superstar Virgo. We have been to Maldives 10 years back also with Herbalife vacation. We have been to Hilton Waikola village in Hawaii, which is so large that you have a boat and a ship, a train and a bus inside to go from one end of the hotel to other. And this is among the top 10 destinations in the world to see before you die. And this is Maldives 2 months back, where you can sit in the beach, have a great island. And this was courtesy Rajuji and Cynthia ji, who were generous enough and gracious enough to host us, but we also tolerate us for 5 days. We were there. This was unbelievable. And every one of you must be nice to Cynthia ji today. Call her and say, ma'am, next time on your birthday, we should go to Maldives. Put up a vacation and we will all go. And she'll take you there because she's a very gracious hostess. You get business development, personality development with people like Jim Rohn, who said, for things to become better, I have to become better. For things to change, I have to change. Please, in this call, you are 423 people this time. Don't think anything will change unless you are willing to change. And downstairs, below you see Robin Sharma, who is among the most foremost business philosophers now, who says, when we start, everybody encourages. When we become successful, everybody wants us to pull us down. That is going to happen to you when you start becoming successful with Herbalife. Don't listen to people who are negative about your success. When you become president team, the CEO invites you to USA, shares your story, asks you to put a plate on the wall of honor where your name is going to be there forever. Imagine today that you are in USA, in our headquarters, putting a plate with your name, whatever it is, and then the current CEO, John Gnovi, is sharing your story with everybody who has qualified as president team in the last month, last 2 months, last 3 months. We did a million volume points, which is 10 lakh volume point from our personally purchased volume and personal volume. And it was an interesting experience getting this pin, because probably this was the first time an ordinary president team was getting it in India. This is our story so far. As you come along with me in the training sequences, as we go together in these trainings, I will share with you other parts of the story. But the idea of the story is for you to get inspired, for you to understand it is possible to become extraordinary if you so desire, no matter how ordinary you are today. And this story never finishes, it goes on and on and on, because life goes on and on. Now, things you listen to today, just listen to them, take notes, but also understand not everything I say you have to change and follow. Listen to your uplines, listen to your trainers, listen to your sponsors, and then if you like something and they agree, you can implement them. Today, I want to talk about core nutrition in the next 30 minutes for a reason. What is core nutrition and what is nutrition? Nutrition is complicated. Nutrition involves so many parameters that average person like me finds it totally confusing. Should I eat fat or not eat fat? How much protein should I eat? How many hours should I sleep? If I eat cholesterol rich food, will it increase my blood cholesterol? Is my not having diabetes and tuberculosis a sign of me being healthy, or is there more to health than not having disease? How much water should I drink? How much exercise should I do? All this is a combination of what is called nutrition. So I wanted to simplify it for you and tell you anything you do to get food necessary for your health and growth is nutrition. From a single step of drinking more water to paying attention to what you have for breakfast and lunch and dinner, all of that is nutrition. So if on this call, you are just a consumer of these products and you're not involved with us in spreading this mission of nutrition around you, don't worry. Learn to use the products correctly, get the best result from them, become healthier than you are, grow better than you are, and you are already a part of the nutrition mission. So our process helps you get the food necessary for health and growth. So first thing, understand our products are food. They may look different in powder and tablet forms, but they are under law and by science defined as food. Now you will say, what is the difference between the food I eat? Sambar, vada, dosa, idli, chawal, rice, chicken, fish. or what you give. I will tell you what we are. We are quantified nutrition. And today I want to talk about just 3 products because, of course, we have 24 products. And in the next subsequent trainings, I will keep on covering each product in depth so that by the time these training sessions are over, you will have as much skill, as much knowledge as you need to become a Herbalife President team on the products. Now we are going to talk about core nutrition. Core nutrition is by definition something you have to have on a daily basis if you want to stay healthy, if you want to prevent deficiency induced diseases, and if you want peak performance from your mind, body, and soul. So we divide nutrients into water, carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins, and minerals. They are all important for us. They have to be had on a daily basis in specific doses according to your body weight, but on consistent base. You cannot have water one day and not drink the another day. You cannot have 10 breakfasts today and not have breakfast for next 10 days. You have to have it every day. You cannot eat all your daily food in one meal in the morning and then have nothing for lunch, have nothing for dinner. It's better to have them divided. That is why nutrition is focused on core and targeted nutrition. I am telling you this and please write it down. Science uniformly across the whole world says it is impossible to get core nutrition from our daily home food. And in next training, I will cover why it is so. But today, just take it from me as an expert who has been doing this for over 22, 23 years. And even if I just jokingly told Rajuji yesterday that I am the best trainer on Herbalife, my wife was not here. Otherwise, I would not dare say this. So it is virtually impossible to get core nutrition from your food. This is something every human being around the world, all 8 billion of us, need to supplement. The challenge is we may not be able to afford it. The challenge is we may not be aware of it. The challenge is we may not understand it, but we need it. That is what science says to everybody. WHO in 2000 said supplement diets world over. It's already 21 years since they insisted that every human diet worldwide should be supplemented. Now, I wanted you to understand that whether it is a physician, orthopedic surgeon, cardiologist, dermatologist, or a nurse, a huge majority of them recommend supplements. And I'm not saying they recommend it routinely. I have written ever recommended. Just look at it, 97 to 79%, which means over 80% of doctors worldwide generally recommend supplementation. It is not Herbalife, it is not Anil Nader, or it is not your sponsor who is saying supplementation is important. And next week, I will talk in detail about why supplementation is required, what is supplementation, and I will focus on one particular supplementation about the gastrointestinal health. But today, please take it from me that worldwide surveys, majority of physicians who are trained to handle health and sickness supplement, majority. In fact, a survey showed that 90% of physicians themselves use a supplement every day. In India also, you find a lot of people who use supplements because they understand supplementation improves their health, and we will talk this about next time. I want you to understand for Indians, and we are all Indians and proud to be so. And today is another important day. India has done over 100 crore vaccinations for COVID, which is the world record, by the way. So very good. You need protein, you need vitamin and minerals, and you need omega-3 fatty acids as a core nutrition for Indians. So if you are an Indian at heart and by birth, you will never get adequate protein from diet. You will never get adequate vitamin and mineral from diet, and you will never get adequate omega-3 fatty acids from diet. Today, because I have only 45 minutes to talk about, I will focus on doing a job on protein and vitamins and minerals. And next time, we will talk about omega-3 and other cardiac supplements that we require on a daily basis as Indians. So protein is a macronutrient. You need it by the gram. For every kilogram body weight, you need 2 grams of protein. ICMR recommends minimum 1 gram, but that is for people who want low level performance. If you want 100% performance, make sure that whatever your weight is, you are taking double of that protein in every single day, whether it is in form of our products, whether it is in form of chicken, fish, meat, egg, milk. Also, please write down that most people cannot digest more than 30 grams of protein in one single meal. So if your weight is 70 kilogram and you need 140 grams of protein, you will have to divide it into 5 to 6 small meals. That is the logic of dividing food into multiple meals, is so that whatever you eat, you absorb and utilize it at the cellular level. So first thing, macronutrient is protein. Now, unfortunately, all proteins are not the same. The protein from milk is different than the protein from, say, dal, or protein from chicken and fish and meat and egg is entirely different than protein from rice or peas or whatever other sources are. So understand, protein is a combination of 23 different bricks called amino acids. And you must know this as a consumer of the world's best nutrition program, or if you are going to share it with people, even more important for you to understand. You cannot have a jigsaw puzzle of 100 pieces and have 5 pieces missing. If you want a good jigsaw puzzle finished, you need all the 100 pieces in a 100-piece puzzle. Similarly, in amino acids, we need all 21, some say, but most people agree on 23 essential amino acids to make the protein. Unfortunately, the complete protein most people don't get. And what we eat is incomplete protein. Complete protein has all the 9 essential amino acids and are basically from animal sources. And I don't know about you, but you must understand, dairy is an animal product. Milk is an animal product. Curd and cheese that come from milk are animal products. So animal proteins are complete, except one vegetarian protein, which I will talk about. Otherwise, most vegetarian proteins are incomplete. Complete proteins come from egg, meat, seafood, and milk products. But soya is the only complete protein source in the plant kingdom. Do all plants have protein? Yes. 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%. But they are not complete sources. They don't have all the 9 essential amino acids. So you have a list on your screen. You have a list on your screen which says, if you are looking for complete protein sources, you need to eat quinoa, buckwheat, hemp seed, chia seed, which Indians don't, and soy, which we give it to you in form of our shakes. But in routine, most people will get complete protein only if they eat non-vegetarian animal-based products like egg and milk and fish and poultry. So we have a challenge. Most Indians do not get complete protein. So what do? We understand that we are eating incomplete protein. So some have 3 amino acids, some have 4, some have 5, but nobody has all 9 of them except soya protein. So what our grandparents did was understand this concept, even if they were not very scientifically educated. They decided to make a concept of complementary protein, which means they were eating foods in combination. Some would come from one food, some would come from other. For example, in North India, we eat rajma chawal, we eat rajma chole. In South, you combine idli, vada, dosa of rice, and then combine sambar and have some dal. So there is a variation. Complementary protein are 5 come from one food, 4 come from another, and it's a complete thing in itself. Which is why if you look at this, you will find a lot of people combine grains with legumes. We add nuts. We often add dairy products like curd and milk in addition to our food. And if you add the various seeds like chia seed or mustard seed or kalonji, you will create a concept of complementary protein. This is complicated. This is tough. This is difficult. Also understand why we need protein. Because without protein, life is impossible. Our growth our immunity, our hair, our skin, our nails, our muscles, and our hormones that make us male, female, insulin, whatever hormone you know, everything is protein. Just imagine if you have less protein than required in your diet, what will happen? Your growth will be stunted. You will fall sick more often because your immunity is low. Your skin will be bad. Your hair will be bad. You won't have good muscles, and your hormonal systems will function inefficiently. So you need to create a concept of having adequate protein if you want good hair, skin, hormone, energy, and muscle. We give you a complete meal in the shape of Formula One. If you are a consumer on this call who has just interest in having good nutrition, please understand, in India, the only meal replacement shake according to worldwide health standards is the Formula One shake, which comes in 8 delicious flavors. And whoever has invited you on this call will give you the details of this. All I want you to understand is this: these 8 flavors are all based on the fact that the base flavor is same. And you have Alfonso mango, vanilla, Dutch chocolate, strawberry, kulfi, orange cream, banana caramel, and now rose kheer. And shortly some other flavor will also be launched. All of these are very delicious and they give you a variety of tastes. But worldwide, 40% of meal replacement in the whole world, out of every 10 meal replacements sold, 4 are Herbalife Formula One shakes. We are the world leader in the meal replacement industry. And meal replacement is not required just for weight loss. It is required for improved health. It is required for nutrition. It is required when people cannot digest or eat solid food. It is required when people who have no time to make an elaborate meal want a quick but a complete meal. So meal replacement is not just about weight management. It is about giving you all the nutrition in a very quick, easily usable form. Last year, no, year before last, we sold 1.7 billion servings. On an average, it is estimated there are 50 lakhs shake used every single day worldwide. It doesn't matter what you are doing on this call. You are going to share the product with people or you're going to just use. Remember 3 things. We are a nutrition dense, calorie controlled meal replacement. All you need to know about Formula One, unless you want to do a PhD in meal replacement, is these 3 things. We have more nutrition than the weight of the shake. We know exactly how many calories you will get out of a shake. And this is the only meal replacement, to the best of my knowledge, in this country. More are coming. Other companies also coming in because meal replacement is a huge industry. It is over $200 billion worth of industry. And so a lot of other players are also coming into meal replacement. But as of now, we are the world leaders. So we will always be the world leaders. What is the Formula One having? Soya protein isolate. The current preparation also has whey, which comes from milk. We know exactly that when you take 3 spoons of the Formula One shake, you get 90 calories from the shake and 9 grams of protein. But because it is a meal replacement, it will also give you the medium level of essential vitamins and minerals. And if you use it on a consistent basis, even once a day, you will be able to help improve your health and manage your weight for long term. You can actually end up preventing weight gain or in fact losing weight if you so want, depending on how you use it, and of course consistently. Now whenever I say, oh, this is based on soya protein isolate, the customer says, oh, soya protein, so let me eat soya dal, or I am using soya oil, or I am drinking soya milk. So please understand, not every soya source has the same amount of protein. For example, soya oil has no protein. Soya milk has 4% protein, which is the same almost as the cow's milk. Soya paneer is tofu, which has 8% protein, so has cow's protein. So it's not any big difference. If you eat soya atta, it's 30% protein. If you make a product which has soya concentrate, 70%. What we give you as a company and as a product is based on soya protein isolate, which is 90% weight for weight, just protein. So all you're eating with us is protein fortified with the adequate vitamins and minerals recommended by science. Now, how do you see it's efficient? You see that the protein is efficient on what was called a PDCA score, protein digestibility corrected amino acid score. One is only in 3 products: white of an egg, milk, and soya protein isolate. No other protein in the world has 100 on 100. But science is dynamic and makes progress. So in 2013, we introduced a new method of measuring efficiency of soya. In the laboratory, yes, it was perfect. But is it perfect when we digest it? And so they created a score called DIAS score, which is digestibility indispensable amino acid score. This is the current most modern method of measuring protein digestion. And can you believe the only one product which is same outside and same inside is soya protein isolate. The DIAS score and PDCA score of soya protein isolate is 1. Milk is better absorbed, or egg is better absorbed in the human intestine than in the lab. But if you look at chicken, fish, meat, dals, gehu, they are not as well absorbed as soya protein isolate is. So when you have a Herbalife shake, you are getting a product that has PDCAS 1 and DIAS 1, which is perfect, 100 on 100. Now, this is sent by our friend Victor Trochin this morning, and I liked it, so I added it today. Because soya protein has a lot of myths associated with it. I used an alternative slide. Today I added this. That first thing, many people think soya has phytoestrogens, so men will become women. That is not true. Soya protein has phytoestrogens which do not mimic the sexual effect of estrogen. So don't worry, if you are a male and you eat soya, you will not get feminizing effect. And this is mentioned by Susan Bowerman, our diet counselor, but also worldwide now in science. Soya cancer is not linked, soya consumption is not linked to breast cancer. It does not have feminizing effect in men. It supports muscle building, and it is very healthy and environment friendly because it requires less effort to grow soya than compared to just getting protein from animals. So this is a healthy, environment friendly, healthy way of getting protein. Also, people used to say, and if you're a customer, you will have it, oh, I have thyroid, can I take soya? The answer is absolutely yes. There is no link of saying if you have hypothyroidism, don't take soya. We tell you, keep a gap between your medication and food. That applies to sabzi roti dal, that applies to idli vada dosa, that applies to having iron and calcium supplements, and that applies to having Herbalife shake also. So if any one of you on the call suffers from hypothyroidism, take your medicine 45 minutes to 1 hour early, empty stomach, and then have whatever you want to have. This is what science says today. Also, our product Formula 1 is sweet. So a lot of people are worried about, can diabetics take is healthy? It is sweet, so I am not allowed to have diabetes. Now in modern diabetic medication, having no sweet is a myth. Today, diabetologists allow you to eat anything, chocolate, toffee, barfi, rasgulla, Mysore pak in moderation. They also tell you that if you eat a sweet dish and makes your life happy, so be it. Because if you are stressed all the time, the blood sugar worsens. Now our shake is low gas GI, glycemic index tested. Anything over 55 is high glycemic index. So chips, biscuits, cake, ice cream, date, potatoes, processed food, watermelon, white bread, they are low, high GI. On the other hand, basmati rice, vegetables, dals, pasta, whole grain bread, orange cream, and our shake, they are low GI. Our shake has a GI of 21 to 23. Anything less than 55 is low GI. So yes, our shakes are sweet, but they are sweetened with sucralose, which is not digested by the human body. So instead of being sweet, they will not alter your blood sugar. If you have to summarize why should you use Formula 1, the answer is on this slide. Use it as a meal replacement. Use it as a healthy snack. Use it as a snack when you are in hurry. Use it as a food which is 100% digested, and use it to support your weight management, whether it is to gain muscle, whether it is to lose fat, or whether it is to maintain healthy weight till we are alive. Indian diet extract protein from food. Mostly protein is non-vegetarian, and most of us on the call are probably meat eaters, but we generally tend to eat vegetarian food in routine. So I also showed you some sources of vegetarian food, but let me tell you here quickly that most vegetarian foods of protein don't have more than 4% protein weight for weight. So if you eat 100 grams of Greek yogurt, you get 4 grams. And if you eat dal and chia seed and mutter and rice, everything has protein in under the microscope, but it's not enough for our requirement. Just see this slide. I wanted you to see what people say about vegetarian protein. Quinoa, soy, amaranth, walnut, seitan. I bet most of you have not even heard of one of these. Forget eating them. Amaranth, of course, happens to be a grain that is used in South India, but do we use it in adequate quantities on a daily basis? The answer is no. So, sure, in theory, there are alternative sources of protein if you eat regularly in adequate quantities for adequate time. Neither are you going to eat in adequate quantities, nor are you going to eat it regularly, nor are you going to eat it for a long enough time, because these are alien to most of us. Similarly, vegetables, hemp seed, black peas, walnut berries, potatoes, hazelnut, chia seed, almond. Yes, they look good on photograph. Yes, they look good in theory. Yes, they look good if you want to argue with me. But in practice, we don't use this. So forget, even if spirulina has protein, you are not going to eat enough. Okay? Why you need protein is to decrease hunger, increase muscle. Just remember this. When you have adequate protein, you don't feel hungry too often because satiety factor goes up, but also you develop healthy muscles. And today in health, all you need to do is have adequate muscle and you will be healthy for life. How much protein is required is controversial. I told you ICMR recommendation is 0.8 to 1 gram, but worldwide for last 30, 40, 50 years, people have been saying that is not enough. So Dr. David Heber, who used to be the chief for Medical Advisory Board, is chairman of Medical Advisory Board, wrote a book called LA-Shaped Diet about 15 years back, where he was talking about 2 grams of protein per kilogram of lean muscle mass. This is true today. Worldwide, most scientists accept that we should be having double our body weight in forms of protein, of course, in divided doses. Herbalife combined soya and whey for a reason. That if you look at the green arrow, that is Herbalife. The protein release is slower and stays for longer. So when you have a Herbalife shake for next 3 to 4 hours, your satiety is enhanced, thereby telling the brain, I am full, I am full, I am full. So you don't feel hungry so longer and you don't have to snack. This is the reason why we created a blend of soy, whey, and casein in our product, so that it starts early but stays longer. We created a PPP, which is 6 grams of powder per serving, 5 grams of pure protein, 90% like I told you. If you add this to the shake, 2 spoons as is recommended, you will suddenly double the quantity of protein from 9 grams to 19 grams in the shake. And if you make it in milk, like we recommend 300 ml milk, you will add another 20 grams. So please understand, when you have a complete shake of 3 spoons of Formula 1, 2 spoons of PPP in 300 ml of whole milk, you get 29 grams of grade 1 PDCA score DIAS 1 protein. And that is the optimum requirement of an adult for a single meal. So if you have 2 shakes, you get 60 grams. If you have 3 shakes, you get 90 grams, and so on and so forth. Obviously, we encourage you to eat your own food. And next week, I will talk about why you need to eat sabzi, roti, dal also, in addition to just using the product. Now, whenever you think of PPP, think of deficit supplementation. Think of making a good complete shake, and obviously it will help in weight management. So why you need PPP is because our diets are deficit, and we will talk about this next week. Last product I want to talk about today in the next 2-3 minutes is why people age prematurely is because of what is called oxygen damaging our skin. So you look at Al Pacino, one of my most favorite actors. He looks old. He is old. And look at Barack Obama on the day he took presidency and the day he retired. He had aged more than his 8 years. And it is because oxidative damage occurs because of oxygen. So when you look at people, there are wrinkles under the eye, there are wrinkles around the lips, the neck starts wrinkling, and the forehead starts wrinkling. These are signs of all aging. And I wanted to show you an example of what happens to an apple when kept in the open. It degenerates, it breaks down because of what is called oxidative damage. If an apple can degenerate on exposure to air, so can you, so can I, so can everybody else. So we have oxidative damage. Now, why are vitamins and minerals which are antioxidants required? Because they are essential for our functions. But please understand, vitamins are of two types. Some that need water to be absorbed, some that need fat. So having adequate fat in the human diet is a must. Otherwise, you will suffer from deficiency of fat soluble vitamins and you will not absorb all the minerals too. Now, when I tell our consumers or our potential customers, you need supplementation of vitamin and mineral, they say, okay, tell us, where do you get it? Where do you get antioxidants? So I say you have two options. You can take it from food or you can use a supplement. So let us tell you about a few foods. And these are the antioxidant rich foods. Now, please look at this slide for 30 seconds and guess the fruit. How many of you even know these fruits? How many of you have had them? And how many of you eat these regularly? So the mystery is, if I cannot recognize a fruit or a vegetable, and next time I will show you fantastic vegetables, how they started. I will trace the history of supplementation for you, so you understand how important is the job that you and I do. But look at these antioxidant rich foods. Most people haven't even seen a fig. If you went on Herbalife vacations, you would have seen a rambutan, but not liked it. Thanks to Rajuji, 2 months back, we had the Logans that you can see in next to persimmon. These are things that you see in books. But human body does not work on reading a book. It needs nutrition on a daily basis. So apricots, blueberries, cherries, figs, rambutan, persimmon, longan, dew, plum, guava. Also, when you look at books, when you look at literature, when you look at internet, they say, oh, it's easy to get vitamins and minerals. Just eat salmon, tuna, mackerel, drink plenty of milk, eat broccoli, spinach, oranges, oysters, carrots, eggs, avocados, and you will get all the vitamins and minerals. The question is, what happens to a person who's vegetarian? He loses two important sources of this. Avocado is fashionable in current times, but I can tell you for a fact that in Delhi, it's almost 400 rupees for one avocado. Oysters, I can eat because I'm a non-veg, but I dislike its smell and look. So I am confined to eating carrots and broccoli and spinach. So are you? So please understand, it's easy to say dietary sources. But if all of you on this call today are not using a multivitamin, you are not absorbing the full protein. It is like you are making a plaster out of sand, but not adding cement to it. The multivitamin, mineral and herb binds the protein to the muscle. So imagine if you are doing a plaster like the Mistri or a mason does, and he does not add cement to the sand. Will it create a permanent plaster? The answer is no. So if you are using protein, you need the vitamin and mineral to bind it to the muscle. So all of you, I strongly encourage, if you are not using, use Formula 2, our multivitamin mineral herb tablet 3 times a day, so that whatever protein you eat from the shake or from the food gets digested, gets absorbed and gets utilized. This was for today, because I want you to understand, without Formula 2, there is no better nutrient uptake. Your energy remains low. Your supplementation is deficit and weight management is tough. If you want all four to improve, please start the multivitamin 3 times a day if you are not already doing. I know in Nutrition Club we are drinking a shake and a fresh, but you have to go beyond Nutrition Club because your health is more vital than anything you do on a daily basis. This is the time for me to thank you on my behalf and on Lavlina's behalf for your attention. and this is the question time. So if you have any question, next 10-15 minutes, please ask questions. I hope Shekhar Babu will coordinate it or moderate it. We were over 533 people on the call, and all of you, if you just add a multivitamin to your meal 3 times a day, next week you will not need to go my training on supplementation, because you would have practiced supplementation and got the benefit of the supplementation. But nevertheless, next week I am going to talk in depth about why supplementation is required from a scientific, medical, and Herbalife point of view, and why every one of you must learn to keep on adding supplements to a diet till you get the whole health, energy, wellness that you want. So please ask me the questions you want.